This is for Tizo Trading Institution. I'm just here to inspire you and give you some few tips on how you can trade with a very small balance. So here what I did, I just deposited $20, so you can see it's my account with my real name there. I just deposited $20 and I just made $100 like in just few hours, like three hours, yeah, like less than 3 hours. So not that I trade with maybe a small account, or I encourage it, but I am here just to inspire you in terms of emergency. Let's say you do not have enough capital to trade, so what can you do to make much out of very small capital? So okay, let us just open the chart. So here what I did is that, okay, I opened my trade on this black horizontal line and I exited on that the red horizontal line. So what happened is that, okay, I firstly knew that, okay, as I'm practicing this trading style, like I just wanted to see how can I do with a small account. So I just funded it to see to exercise maybe my trading style. Like, let's say maybe I am trading the small account, how can I trade? So I just first went to a lower time frame, because it is very difficult for you to trade with a small account in a bigger time frame. So I went to a 15-minute time frame and I checked at the initial direction, like where is the market going. So I spotted that the market was going in an uptrend. The most important thing is that I eliminated all this downtrend noise. I focused on what is happening at the current or at the moment. So I spotted that the market is moving up, and I then waited for a good entry. Like after the market have pulled back, then when it is now trying to go up, then I enter my trade. So I saw this pullback, that, okay, this is now a good pullback. So let me just, it is now enough pullback comparing to all the pullbacks before. So I then opened my trade and I held it even when it was trying to pull back, as it was continuing. I didn't fear, because I knew what I wanted out of the market. I wanted only $100, so I held the trade until it reached $100. That when I closed the trade. So if you have a small account, just use a lower time frame and make sure that you follow the trend. It is better to follow the trend than to maybe use certain indicators. It is better that way. You can use indicators maybe if account is like is good and it is in a big balance, but let's say it is terms of emergency, just follow the trend and seek a good entry. Once you find that, just open the position and hold it. Don't be afraid that, okay, here, like for an example, where is this line? When I switch the time frame now, oh Christ. Okay, let's say there was the moment where the price was like here, it was up there and it was around 75 or $80. I didn't fear when the price was dropping from maybe from the $80 down all the way to this point here. I was not afraid because I knew what I wanted. So I waited and I became patient until the market went all the way up there to my target point. So that's when I took my profit. So guys, I hope this inspired you. If you have just a small account, just go in the lower time frame and look at the trend, then just find the perfect entry and enter your position, then be patient about it, and that's the only way to grow your account. So thank you for watching this video.